At the end of the day, Mammoth is nothing without our customers. And we have a wonderful base of customers where our dedicated employee owners go the extra mile every single day to give the customers what they need on time at the quality level they expect. My name is Stuart Reeve. I'm the President and CEO at Mammoth Labels Packaging. We're based in Columbus, Ohio, and we have about 40 employees. We're a special company first and foremost because we are a 100% ESOP. And what that means is every person you're going to see today owns a piece of this company. I am the lucky person that gets to lead this extraordinary team and this special company. One of the things that make us special is our flexibility. We have customers all over the country, so we can distribute anywhere in the United States of America. We can go from graphics design to our digital press, print it, and then deliver that to the customer. We then work with the customer to supply them with a label applicator that then can put the label onto the wine bottle, in this instance, putting it in a box, coating the box for you, and it goes out the door. And that's why the customers love doing business with Mammoth. Our Flexo customers, we're looking to shorten their runs, add SKUs. So in order to satisfy these customers, we took the work and we farmed it out to another digital supplier. The choice to bring digital in-house became very simple for us. I hit the road with our two senior salespeople to really see who could be the right partner that we could use. We went to Label Expo, we walked on every booth, we visited various headquarters, and it very quickly became apparent that Domino was going to be the right choice for us. With the addition of the Domino, our prime label business grew exponentially, specializing in the wine, beer, candle industries. So Domino's really given us the flexibility to be able to service those customers. So when I look at the team we have here at Mammoth, I'm pleased to say that my finance director and my marketing director both work for two of our largest customers. And the reason they came here is they saw what we were trying to do, the change we were creating, the forward thinking, investing in new technology, to be the leader in the marketplace. So I'm thrilled, and Domino's helped us do that.
My name is Matt Doherty. I'm the digital press room supervisor at Mammoth Labels Packaging. Since we've had digital, we have had so many customers tell us how pleased they are, and basically the wow factor. The time frame that we were able to deliver such a high-end product is just, it blows their mind. It's absolutely phenomenal. And the customers couldn't be happier with us.
I think the thing that the Domino's done for us from a sales perspective is really giving us confidence. So that when we go in and we meet with a new client, we have the confidence to say, yes, we can do that.
My name is Edmund Mckinney, better known as EJ. I am the main graphitronics operator and the second Domino operator. We actually came here together, me and the Domino. I believe the Domino difference is the ability to reach out and get the help that you need and get the answers that you need. We went through our training right before the lockdown happened. They were still available during the entire pandemic. So Domino, they were on top of their game the whole way.
To me, the Domino difference is success on every level. And that's one of the best things that I like about Domino is the way it's set up for you to succeed.
For Mammoth, the Domino difference really started from the beginning. It was with their outstanding sales force who really listened and understand what we needed. And then the support team around him who helped you with the pro formas, helped you do your analysis to make sure your ROI would actually happen. So to start up two new pieces of European equipment in March of 2020 probably wasn't the best idea. Obviously, that's when COVID hit the world. But during that process, Domino really came through with their service support, and they safely trained us on the equipment. The amazing thing is, through that period, our digital work grew 93% in 2020. We have big goals. We're going to quadruple the size of the company in the next 5 years, and partnering with Domino is one of the main things that's going to allow us to accomplish that goal.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From all our employee owners at Mammoth, Thanks, Domino.